Today, new chapter S block elements is 11th standard. S block elements in the periodic table. Actually, the four block elements are there: the S, P, D, and F. S, P, D, and F. They have four parts in the periodic table. So S block elements further divided in two types. First one alkali metals, then second one alkaline earth metals. The first S block further divided in two types. The first one alkali metals and second one alkaline earth metals. Okay, so S block further divided in alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. So alkali metals, and alkaline earth metal, actually the general electronic configuration of alkali metals, NS1, then alkaline earth metals NS2. So N means number of orbital, number of S orbital, number of S orbital. Okay, so here first one alkaline metals. Alkali metals, what are the alkali metals? The first element in the alkali metals for hydrogen. Actually hydrogen is the one of the important element in the periodic table, but the position not justified, but the one condition is that hydrogen is in the first group. So because the valence is 1, so hydrogen put in the first group elements. Okay, so actually hydrogen is a special character. So actually hydrogen react within the metal. Hydrogen act as a negative charge. So hydrogen negative, metal is a positive charge to form NaH, sodium hydride. Like same for hydrogen react with a non-metal Cl minus, hydrogen act as a positive charge to form HCl, so H plus is, so hydrogen is a positive charge. Same for hydrogen combined with this metal, hydrogen is a negative charge. The first metal of alkaline metals, the first one is a hydrogen, then second one is lithium, then sodium, then potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. These are first group elements. Actually in the periodic table totally 7 periods and 8 group, 7 periods and 18 groups, 7 periods and 18 periods, 7 period, 18 groups. Actually the first group elements alkali metals. First group elements are alkali metal, the hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. These elements are monovalency elements. These elements are monovalency and electropositive nature. These elements are electropositive element and monovalency elements. So how to say is a monovalency? Because these elements can be loosely one electron from the valence shell. These elements can be loosely one electron from the valence shell. For an example, lithium. For an example, lithium's atomic number is 3. For lithium, atomic number is 3. So electronic configuration, the shell configuration 2, 1. So loss of one electron in the outer shell, lithium Li2 plus. How many electron loss in the outer shell? Only one electron. So lithium is a monovalency. Okay, then I like same for sodium also. Sodium atomic number is 11. Sodium atomic number, the electron shell configuration 2, 8, 1. So loss of how many electrons is 1 electron can be lost in the valence electrons, valence shell. So Na plus 1, Na plus 1, so 2, 8. So outer shell having 8 electrons, the atoms is very stable. So loss of 1 electron. So for all the first group elements have lost 1 electron from the valency. So this is a monovalency. These elements are monovalency and electropositive. Positive means the electron can be loosely 1 electron. So donation or withdrawing. So if you get loosely means a positive charge, gain means a negative charge. All alkali metals are positive charge. So electropositive nature. Okay, they're having some similar properties are they're having some similar properties there, then only these elements are in the first group elements. In the Mendeleev periodic table, the elements are arranged in atomic mass. In the Mendel periodic table, all elements are arranged according to the atomic mass, but modern periodic table, all elements are arranged in atomic number. Okay, then these elements are arranged in atomic number. Why? They are having some similar properties there. So having similar property, we can discuss what are the properties there in the coming classes. Okay, then next, alkaline earth metal. The second one, alkaline earth metals, also some similar properties there. The first group elements and second group elements also. First alkaline metals and alkaline earth metal are having similar properties there. Actually, alkali means these elements are easily react with water to form alkaline solution. For example, base sodium can be react with water, Na plus H2O, to form NaOH. These are alkaline solution. These are alkaline solution. The second, alkaline earth metals. They said these metals mostly present in the earth crust. Okay, for an example, beryllium. For an example, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. These are alkaline earth metals. These metals are alkaline earth. Mostly actually the first group and second group, some similar properties there. Okay, beryllium, this alkaline earth metal is a divalent or divalency, because this valence is 2, but alkaline metal valence is 1, because only one electron loosely in the valence shell. But in the alkaline earth metal, they having 2 electrons have lost in the valence shell. For an example, magnesium, the Mg atomic number is 12, 2, 8, 2. So loss of 2 electrons, Mg2 plus, Mg2 plus. So one more example for alkaline earth metals, calcium atomic number is 20, 2, 8, 8, 2, loss of 2 electrons, so Ca2 plus. So the second group elements, all elements can be lost 2 electron from the valence shell. So these elements are called divalent. These elements are called divalent, and is the second group also electropositive nature, because donation or withdrawing groups. So is the positive character. This is a positive character. Actually, 1 electron only lost in the alkaline earth metals, alkali metals. Then alkali earth metals, 2 electron will be lost. So electronic configuration. So electronic configuration, for example, for the sodium electronic configuration, the sodium atomic number already you know that sodium atomic number is 11. So electronic configuration, so 1s2, 2s2, then 2p6, then 3s1 and 3s1. Okay, so totally how many electrons are present in the various orbital? Totally 11 electrons. This is atomic number of sodium. Like same for potassium also, atomic number will be increases, the various orbital also increases. Okay, like all, and the sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, calcium, magnesium, like same for number, atomic number will be increases at the same time. Atomic orbital also increases. So I will